Hello everyone. So today I did a soldier, sort of future soldier, and I did this in my sketchbook, and now I'm going to sort it all out, paint it all, and I wanted it to look kind of concept arty. So getting straight on with it, I'm doing like a sort of thicker line outline, and then I will clean up all of the sketch work just to try and make a sort of cleaner image. So there I am, just removing the background, creating another layer and blocking it in. And using the same colour, using the same grey, I'm using the brush like a eraser. Just taking out some of those sort of more rougher lines and just sort of leaving the main design. Now I'm using a blender brush just to sort of merge some of them in. Just gives it a bit of a cleaner look. Yeah, I thought giving her a mask would be pretty fun. Obviously it's a future gun, so don't judge me. It's got a trigger, it's got a bit that shoots out bullets. So it's a future gun. I think in probably another video I'll probably use some references and really concentrate on making a better gun. But you know, it serves a purpose at the minute. Yeah, so just blending out all those lines really. This robot was a reference I got from Pinterest. I just wanted to sort of copy like a similar sort of green to try and make my character look like they belong in that universe. So here I've done my usual, which is sort of make a duplicate, make a mask, invert the mask, set the layer to multiply, and then I can start painting in shadows. So all that is just a duplicate hidden under a mask in multiply, and it just, when you paint it back in, it's perfect shadows. And that contrast really starts to make the image look a bit more 3D, which obviously adds to like making things more believable. I'm also thinking about light direction at this point. And doing the same bit in reverse, so the duplicate layer is now a screen layer, blending mode, with a mask that's been inverted on the top, and then painting it back using a white brush, I'm able to paint in those highlights. And then later on I'll blend them in. So you won't see all those sort of brush edges. Okay. Yes, it's a bit of a challenge thinking about harsh shapes and soft clothing shapes. As me looking at my reference again, just making sure I've got like the right kind of khaki green. So with the face, although it's green now, you can colour it on a separate layer and switch that colouring mode to blend mode colour, and then paint that back in. It's like pink, so she won't have green face the whole time, not a She-Hulk. There you go. All normal, all sorted. Doing the same with the gun. Got a silver gun, probably could have got away with a black gun. I wanted it all to be quite visible. And then, yeah, I'm just going over with a thinner black pencil just to kind of bring out some of the detail that's been lost in the blending. Sort of shoring up some of the designs. Yeah, I was having trouble with the eye scope, so I keep coming back and forwards to that just until I can kind of get it to work. Some standard black boots, but again I reduce the opacity a bit so they're not completely jet black, because I want to be able to show off the detail I've done on the boots. Just using another layer just to sort of do a bit of multiply, just to try and get the shadows where I need them. And then you can play around with the opacity and reduce it so that the shadows aren't as harsh as you might want them. The benefits of putting things on separate layers. And change your mind and it doesn't damage anything. Yeah, good to remember when you're doing shadows, like the helmet will cast a shadow over the eyes. Now doing the highlights, I was using the 2B pencil. Somehow I've managed to get that brush somewhere. But it's very good, and the hard pencil's good as well, just for like getting those nice sharp edges. Especially if you're working with like cliffs and guns and armour and stuff, it really makes it pop. Yeah, you got to remember all the things that sort of could catch the light. And yeah, later on, once it's all done, I also add on some textures just to sort of give you an idea what it looks like. So there you go, that's Sketch to Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Wow.